You thought you was gonna get away with it, didn't you? I caught you. Illegally distributing illegal items. Illegally. You know, bud, that's illegal around here.
Yeah.
You know? And I caught you red-handed. I caught you with the products in your hand.
You don't understand.
You got, what is it? What is this? I need you to go ahead and tell me what this is. Explain yourself.
I'm telling you, it's to make your cargo faster.
No,
I'm telling you the truth.
You can't handle the truth. You've got to be lying to me right now. I don't know what's going on with all this whole deal.
Call this Officer WhiteWall.
We're going to have to figure it out.
We should.
Hey, I'm getting a phone call. You hang on.
Yeah. Answer it. They'll tell you.
Oh.
Hello, Officer WhiteWall.
Hey, Mr. Abney, how you doing?
Well, I'm not doing very good, man. The guys told me that you picked up one of my guys.
Yeah, I got him right here. I got him. I told you I done caught that guy. That feller was illegally distributing illegal items. Illegally. I caught him. Yes, sir, I did.
Listen, you obviously have made a mistake. There's a difference between crystal meth and snow meth.
No, sir. No. Officer WhiteWall never makes a mistake. I tell you what.
Oh, yes, you did.
Well, if you think we got some kind of discrepancy, perhaps I ought to just come on down there then. Maybe we can just sort this out in person.
Snow meth is used to make your cargo faster. You
What?
have obviously assumed the wrong thing.
No, sir. I didn't find the wrong thing. I found the cargo. Exactly, precisely, 100% what you told me I was going to be looking for. I found it. I found the cargo. Illegally distributing of illegal items. I got him. I'm finna nail him to the wall.
No, it makes your car go faster, not cargo, you idiot.
Oh.
You come on down here because I want to show you the difference.
Maybe I ought to just bring him here. I'm going to bring him back down to squad car, and I'll bring him down to your shop there, and then we can figure this whole mess out, all right?
I'll be waiting for you right here.
All right, that sounds good.
Bye.
Come on, Bubba. I'm taking you back down there. There's something going on here. We need to figure this out. Mr. Abney, here we are. I brought him back.
What are you doing?
Well, you told me I had to get to the bottom of the problem you had here.
Oh my gosh. I told you that snow water methanol was for making horsepower.
Yeah.
And it's not illegal. Merv, what are you doing?
I'm trying to work, boss. This guy just comes and snatches me up. What do I do?
Well, you know, you always talking about meth, and meth is illegal.
Not snow meth. It's water meth. Water methanol.
Let me uncuff this guy.
Yeah, I better uncuff him right now.
All right. Well, you know, you guys must... What about the bag?
That's snow water meth, you idiot.
It's my little vials, and it's in a baggie, and it says meth.
Yes, look at this. Did you even look at these?
Well, no, sir.
No,
I have my
no.
glasses on.
These are water methanol nozzles.
Let me see one of them.
That makes your cargo faster. If you got
Cargo.
a turbo,
Yeah, I got the cargo.
if you got a big turbo and you put that on your car, you're going to go faster. It's
Oh.
not illegal.
Now you're talking about language.
Yeah.
Turbo gonna go faster?
If I give you this, will you leave us the hell alone?
Well, what are we gonna do with him?
Go back to work.
Thank you.
So I can take that and I can do a little bit more research, and you're telling me that that's gonna help my turbo car go faster?
Yes, it will.
Well, why didn't you just say that at
I
the
tried
beginning?
to, and you won't freaking listen.
Well, hell, I'm gonna go do some research on this stuff here, and I'll be back with you guys.
Well, I hope so.
I'm watching you, Wazowski. Always watching.
Well, shit, I can't do nothing right, man. First they gave me that traffic directing job, and I done directed the traffic into each other, you know what I'm saying? And next they wanted me to get to the bottom of someone done stole some shit, and here I am trying to figure it out, why it's stole or why it's illegally being distributed, illegally. Illegal items, man, we can't have that stuff going on around here, but I feel like I failed. But maybe I could redeem myself. Maybe I could spread the word if they ain't lying, and this is a good way to make your turbo car faster. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's my calling. Maybe Maybe I'm here to tell everybody about meth.
What did he say?
Maybe I'm here to promote meth and
What?
it making your turbo car faster. So I'm gonna read this stuff here and we'll figure it out, and I'll be back next week, and maybe meth's good. Maybe meth's not so bad after all. You know what I mean? I mean, hell, weed's legal in a bunch of states. Maybe meth is too.